Hi guys, today we are gonna check if two string arrays are equivalent problem. So in the question we are provided with two arrays. This array consists of strings and we have to check whether the final string provided by word1 and word2 respectively is equal or not. If they are equal, we will return true, else we will return false. So this problem can be simply done by using concatenation feature of string, and we can finally compare them and return true or false according to our answer. Let's see this example. If I have given a vector consisting of string AB and DFG, and if I want to concatenate this, the resulting string will be ABDFG. Similarly, if I have given a vector of A and B as the string elements and I want to concatenate this, so A plus B will give us the string AB. So based on this approach, solving the question, if I see the example, this here word1 vector contains AB and C as the elements and word2 vector contain A and BC as the element. Now if we concatenate the string in the word1, I get the resultant string as ABC, and if I concatenate the strings given in word2, the resultant string will be ABC. So both of them are same and we can compare this by using the statement string 1 equals to string 2, and if it's true we will return true, else we will return false. So here is the C++ implementation of my approach. Here we are given two vectors of strings w1 and w2, and we are supposed to return a bool value according to our answer. So according to the approach, I have created two empty strings s1 and s2. Here s1 will contain the extracted string of w1 and s2 will contain the extracted string of w2. So in order to extract the string, I have to traverse the whole w1 array or vector, and in order to extract s2 string, I have to traverse whole w2 array or vector. So to traverse, I will use for loop, and at each step I will concatenate the string present in the vector. Similarly, for the s2, I will concatenate while traversing the w2 vector, and after obtaining the strings we will simply compare them, and if they are equal we will return true, else we will return false. Now we are done with the code. Now submitting it. So it got submitted, we got our answer. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.